Yo, for a image will be an mama will be a aha. Mama Wakwaba, baby, I will be a messer or whatever, oversaw. On modern share video in my wife. So, video a short video, main check, a short video with a critical question. And I ever baby sana, yet the Bible. I answering na yet the Bible 90 album, Caesar and the Dia. Mefa when you should make your common sense for you na video be a will be or telling kind then bring me chow messa or baswa or dawroma on na share video no family. I'm saying you man you say your way to man cry you're quaying a long journey and yet to enlighten the black man is a very big task. A Jumadin Cassia pa and you market what I say. A Jumadin Casanga. And a Jumane back for Juma, some make Canada be and say to enlighten the black people or to enlighten Africans or to wake up some people and yet gradual process now and yet it market a Jume more day and Casa because Ansana Abrofonma Yen Kuano, it took them 400 years. Mental slavery, you know, it took them 400 years. Yehuda, common sense family, Abraham the Moshe, CSF, mobile, you know, I saw it do I hear what to me and come for most and we are not here to Yamba say to sorry them, young come sorry. What did I make? I saw it say to Mukana, one green, a year, one hour, my wife, you man, fire and Nafako. And then the topic here, did Jesus die as God or as man? See, did Jesus die as God or as man? According to Christianity and the Bible, they said Jesus came and died for their sin. Accepted. But then I have some critical question for them. And I know they can answer me critically. The person we are as a person. If you want to know the age of your brain, if you want to know the age of your brain, the critical thinking of your brain will show you the age of your brain. I'm coming again. If you want to know the age of your brain or the age of your soul, the critical thinking of your brain will show you the age of your brain. Think critically. There are some questions, it will come to your brain. Some questions, you know, in this present day, in this present generation, in this 21st century, some people cannot ask that question. That means you are older, the brain is older than this age. Are you with me? And the more critical questions you can answer, no, it shows the age of your brain. Which is American. The more critical question you can ask, it shows the age of your brain. And your question will be bizarre. Now, I have one woman. That is why you can call order. That shows the age of the person's brain. And then the topic, did Jesus die as a man or as God? Christians, Bible, Jesus to save mankind. They almost say Jesus came and died to eliminate sin. Jesus came and died to take away sin. Now, today the question is, how do Jesus die? Jesus will say, do Christians see Jesus as God and die as God, or they see him as man and die as man? Once upon a time, me can send it on page. Me see every question, every answer in Christianity is a question. Every answer in Christianity is another question. If you ask a Christian critical question, the answer they will give you back, that answer is another question for another answer again for another question. They can't answer their questions because their religion, the base of Christianity based on lies. See, somebody says if you lie in the morning, prepare for another lie in the afternoon, then prepare for another lie in the evening, because when you lie in the morning, you need another lie to support the lie in the afternoon. You need another lie to support the lie in the evening time. That is why we have plenty of billions unanswerable questions in Christianity which they can't answer. They always play around. You ask them, they tell you the old stories, the non-existent story. According to Christians, Akristofo say Yesu na ba bewu nipa ene Nyankopon anya conflict. That means warning aba beda aba beda nipa ene Nyankopon tam nti the only thing Nyankopon betimi ayere say to kill his own son na waba be yi bone no na wabeka nipa ene Nyankopon ayere abum for the land's sake your person Yesu adinti there was some concept of Christianity. We have to accept it and learn. There was some beliefs in Christianity. There were GDA do Christosumwa. As I say, ye jitumwa, na ya fana sa, na ya diaden, ye Yeshua de. A Christopher Yesu na be wu amomo. Menu meri jitum, ye jitumwa, na ye mfamishia de. Nti say Jesus aba be wu na ode amani pa. Me pese mi bisa say Jesus no omuhu ni say oye nyame a owuye ana omuhu ni say oye nipa oye den owuye. Did Jesus die as God or he died as man? The question again, did Jesus die as God or as man? According to Christian and the Bible, according to the theology of Christianity, according to the faith of Christians, they said Jesus died. Now today, the critical question here is, did he, Jesus, die as man? Or he, Jesus, die as God? If a Christian tell you, say, Jesus died as God, a problem, a bomb, it doesn't go with logic, reasoning, and common sense. If Christians will say, so Christians will say, yes, or as Christians, some Christians believe. According to some Christopher GDA, Yawo Christosum, Yawa Christophobia, or which GDA say, Yesu or Yame, Yesu or Yame. And I mean, this I say, almost Yesu or Yamia, and a Yesu be ya. Only say Yame, and a Uamo mono ana. Me question you, myself beside you. Me real me go back up by boom. Me back go quotation too. Now I can kind. Making kaya now as a Christian, who Christian ya who shami. Now who GDA, now what GDA say yes na baby wajo. Eya wo, and I mean bisa question we. Eya wo, and I mean person who family question no. Now what do to GDA ho? Na bisa who say so ampa say yes to be we. Who warning ti say yes to be we. You was reborn say yes to be we. Beto nkwa. Sa yes no who ni say who say oye nyame ana who say oye nipa me ba to ti ase mo share video no sa wo si Yesu owuya na owuye say nyame a wada ho you are deceiving yourself because God doesn't die nyame ngu utie da me ka no sa wo si Yesu oye nyame e no be wuya oye Yesu oye immortal immortal or Nyami, God doesn't die. Anything about mobile cracker said, Nyankupon on Tonko, now I then, now I die. If this your God cannot even sleep, how can your God die? If you believe, say, Mujidi say, Nyamin Tonko, na on that, I didn't tell you say, Yesu or Nyami, now will be Wamo, Unse Christo Nyankasa, why basa? Why you confused? Would you want to say? Would Jesus know who will be woman? One tenacity. And to say, Jesus or Yamia. No one said, beside said, Yamida, Obaka said that Yami on that. Yami woo, Obaka said Yami on woo. Never beside say, I didn't know who Yesu will be woman. And it is a Oka say Yesu or Yami, no or Yenipa. And also, Oka say Yesu Yenipa, and obey woman, and also assemble. One said the entire Adiana ye basana sabi nyansa nim Christosum ni religion nyansa nim nie one so mo di esono bere ye no menu mienu mreso ye beto Christianity but you be say how do we become Christians? We are then and ye two within James, we are then and ye two within Richard, we are then ye two within David. Eya wo ma me ne wo papa e no omo wo no me de wo kwa so na wo ye den Uwesu, Yesu, Ewa Solidem. Into you grew up as a Christian without asking any biblical, religious, and critical questions. Uti ya mikano raskotoka uti. Ya don't question them the go was raskotoka. But you couldn't ask critical, religious, and how do you call it, biblical questions about you believe or not. Uti ya mikano. Inti enka you have opportunity. Kwanye bisa obetanasi. Na ka wachi me ache papa tanasi. Na chere na ye de ma wono. We bisa mu nsem. Uche na meka no. We bisa mu nsem. Na wate ni o ma asi. But ye nya sa opportunity no. Ye nya sa kwanya no. Ye didi e na ye kwa asole, ye go to places, ye returns. Eni ayi na ye asole them morning prayer, morning devotion. Awo ma che ni pa di be meditate. A ni pa be fa ni no. Na ho ma che no. Ya ko jire rabia ni. Na ye tu nyom, na ye eno mo scatters, o mo say yade. Eno mo ye den, o mo say yade nti ama dwen no enye aduma. One of the Christian, how do you call it? Christian gospel musician. One of the gospel musicians also nyombi minimuno. Me pese sa enyomo. Me to me kakra short one. Now Christian your version video in le. Echna da chi embre your version video no. Tena sena dream do no. Yawo ensem bia omo kaka to ya dream. Enna ma ya dream to me nyeduma no. Ebi na ma ya kasa yin to me nyebi ma ya ho. Me say me say see me bo. Last me a video, me see Ghana for woman 1 good year pepepe. Ube wa dia maye wo Ghana. 1 year pepepe. Mo de ube wa dia maye wo Ghana. 1 good year afi ma ko pepepe. Ube wa dia me ya guda. O de fa se mi dia bro. Ube wa dia maye 1 good year pepepe. And I know what I am saying because I know what I am doing. And yet what I'm about to do. What I am doing. Wow, what's it? And you mean some gospel musician but say Fabiana Odima fo nyame obedia mauda Fabiana manu okama fo nyame obeka mauda in religion omaka trend say yam Fabia nyame yam jai bibia everything we yam jai bibia nyame asem na atowa eno okanchi ye say bibi e beto no fama nyame excuse me sebi mako sebi nonsense nkwasi asem when nkwasi anyum when ye nyum an say ye to editu ni patrim enyum we no mototo ya adwi jimi ye no nti obi ka say before ye jimi a sebi enye di atem ya adwi ne jimi because adwi no ntimi nye adwuma bra. So be catch us and what we need to ma. Nippon won't be what demo. As I would tell us, I would say, I didn't see the Panicasa. Now, what I say, what I need to my say. What's the Americano? Or be catch us and Fabiana, Udima for me, Obediama, indirectly, they are telling you not to think for yourself, not to do nothing for yourself, but everything concerning you, no. Someone God will do everything. That is why the brain of the black man is rotten. That is why the brain of the black man is not functioning. That is why the brain of the black man has been poisoned by Yankasa, you own your west, your environment, baby, your walk, and no matter your videos, message, and say, Yadi. How can you leave everything in the hand of unseen God? How can you leave your life in the hand to unseen God? How can you give your life to unseen God? And last week I said, I don't know why I will give my life to a dead man, Jesus. How can the living give his life to the dead? How can the living being give his or her life to the dead being? They are telling you, your living being like you, accept Jesus Christ. Faukra, ene faukra, Jesus say ukra, ene wajempa. Give your life to Jesus. The dead Jesus. I don't need to give my life to any dead man. I need to give my life to myself because the life belongs to me. And I have power, opportunity to control myself. Are you getting me? Now, back to the point. The point is, did Jesus die? Okay. Time and answer. The point today is, did Jesus die as God or as a man? If you say Jesus died as a man, according to Deuteronomy chapter 24, verse 16, or say no one dies for someone. You can't kill the children because of the sin of their fathers. You can't kill the father because of the sin of their children. Ezekiel chapter 18, 20 to 21. Or see, the soul which sins must die. So if Jesus did not sin, if you are the sinner, why do Jesus have to die because of your sin? It doesn't make sense. So I don't know the importance and the advantages of the death of Jesus, because either Jesus died as God. Jesus can't die as God because God doesn't die. If you are telling me Jesus died as a man, then you are telling me you are contradicting the word of God, which is the Bible. Because your own Bible, your own God say, no one died for another one. Are you with me? So in this case, the death of Jesus is nonsense. It's not working because he can't die as God. He can't die as a man. So you have to do your calculation well, please. As a Christian, Mr. Christian man, put your calculation, your religious calculation, your religious mathematics. Do it well. You are getting it wrong in this calculation. You are getting it wrong totally. It is totally wrong. Hey, no God can die for human being. No God will die for human being. If you are telling me Jesus is God, number one, God doesn't die. Even if God dies, no God will die for you, human being. Utie da make am. Nyame bi ani wo mewu ama wo nipa. Utie. Say Jesus onye nyame. Na usi oye nipa dia. E bia Bible no so say. Obi a oye otene ni ontimi wu ma odebonieni. Otene ni cannot die for the odebonieni. The righteous man will not die for the unrighteous man. So I don't know how you calculate your religious calculation. I don't know the mathematics in religion. This mathematics in religion doesn't go on well. No Jesus came and died for you, and no one is coming to die for your sin. Are you with me? And then also 3:30. Yeah, more fire. Common sense family. You better be biased. We a short video. But the topic today is: did Jesus die as God or as a man? You are some back with a some kid in the car, but the same many to wear him now to us and now get home. I say, I'm ready to wear him and then you say, so see Jesus everywhere. How do you see Jesus? Do you see Jesus as God? If yes, now see Jesus who we are, and you're wrong, you got it wrong, because Jesus God cannot die. God doesn't die. So see Jesus in your God, or Yanyami, no, you're no man to say, wow, Bible no say. Obi Mobi na the oye boni no enyo sese we oh Jesus onye body bia, he don't need to come and die for who or the body any Christ only transna den me nu atem me twa age asidi so ya be da ena mi mehu me embre bi etwa ma me ye Christ ni na sabi na me tin na da atrom sese amani abie ma adwi ma bie ena mi kire mu a kire se wo so ma wa adwi ka wo na bie wani na green sem bi ho wo ya de bataka de ba ko akase wo de adwen be ya duma wo be fa Bible wo an fa Bible wo jidie na wo tim no tena se fa wo jidie no to ha na wa akasa to na ha na through question ma wo jidie no bisa wo jidie no question ask your belief your belief question wo belief no wo jidie no bisa no question bisa wo jidie no say adenti na Jesus obewu ma wo yes say obi wu obi eja wu oba nsu wu eja na onipo ole bone no ono a ne boni ti oba ye den obewu na bisa wo se bone be na Jesus ye ya esese wo ye den owu wanye boni bia mega wasese wa baso na wanye ambre na waba betie some short adishia wi mesrew da bia se na make no se wonye subscribe to YouTube channel na obetimi subscribe CSF Yahuda, CSF Yahuda, subscribe, share, na like, 3:30 you call GTV one na ya kwa kwere akwa fire ho boss ho esremo mombra ni numbers na ye share video no keep the fire burning me church obi bia JK James Nati Ahmed Farah Mr. Awal Abukari me church ko bebre Masoela Pia okay naru anamfo doso me chiamo ewo adwuma pa ye na mo ye den since from common sense on ye start ye no mo an eko ye do bi bia ase ye bia besia by na wo review kai na subscribe CSF Yahuda. Thank you. You have a share. Bye bye.